Hey guys, this is the Angry Grandma, and I want to talk to you guys for a minute. I'm hearing on the fucking news and the weather reports that we're supposed to get a real bad snowstorm Wednesday. We're supposed to get at least up to 10 inches. That's a fucking bunch of bull fucking shit. I'll tell you what, on my best Friday nights, I can't even find a 6-inch. So you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going in my room and I'm going to hibernate like a big fucking bear. And when I get about to shit, I'll go in Jake's bedroom and I'll shit all over his fucking floor.
What?
Fuck you, Jake. Shut the fuck up. I'm talking to my people. Motherfucker caused me to lose my train of thought. Yeah, and all I gotta say is I want you guys to be safe, stock up on your groceries and your shit paper, because I'm going to, and whatever else you need. So you guys play it safe and be careful out there. And I'll talk to you later. I love you guys, so take care. Motherfucking 10 fucking inches of snow. Bullshit.